Let's do the exercise of chapter number 2. Exercise number 3. Walaikum salam. Underline the nouns in the possessive case in the following sentence. Tom attends a boys' school. In this sentence, we have to underline the nouns which are in possessive case. So it is quite simple. We have to underline two words: boys' school. Last two words are to be underlined: boys' school. Sentence number 2. The children's clothes are new. In this sentence, children's clothes. Children's clothes. Remember, we have to underline the nouns that are possessive case only. So we will underline only one word, boys, in sentence number 1. Only boys will be underlined. Boys, children's, ladies, birds, and girls. These 5 words: boys, children's, ladies, birds, and girls. Exercise number 4. Complete the phrases using the preposition "of" to show possession. In each sentence, we have to fill only one word, O, in each sentence. The color of lights, the length of mattress, the Metropolitan Museum of New York, the honor of country, and the effectiveness of delivery. Well, now chapter number 3, adjectives. Read the following sentences. Sita is a clever girl. Girl who what kind? Sorry, girl of what kind? I don't like that boy. Which boy? That boy. And what kind? Clever girl. Sentence number 3. He gave me 5 mangoes. How many mangoes? And sentence number 4. There is little time for preparation. How much time? In sentence number 1, clever describes the girl Sita. In sentence number 2, that points out the boy. In sentence number 3, 5 shows the number of mangoes. In sentence number 4, little shows the amount of time. In each sentence, you can see these are describing words. Basically, we can learn that adjectives are describing words. Noun is a naming word. Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives describe nouns. Remember, adjectives describe nouns. Adjective noun को describe करने वाले words होते हैं. Definition: a word used with a noun to describe or point out to the person, animal, place, or thing which the noun names, or to tell the number or quantity, is called an adjective. So we may define an adjective as a word used with a noun to add something to its meaning. किसी noun के meaning में कुछ और add करने वाला word adjective कहलाता है. Look at the following sentences. The lazy boy was punished. What kind of boy? Lazy boy. यानी boy कैसा, किस तरह का लड़का? Lazy. The boy is lazy. In sentence number 1, the adjective lazy is used along with the noun boy as an epithet or attribute. It is therefore said to be used attributively. In sentence number 2, the adjective lazy is used along with the verb is and forms part of the predicate. It is therefore said to be used predicatively. Some adjectives can be used only predicatively, as she is afraid of ghosts and I am quite well. So in the next session we will learn more about adjectives, and we will also learn about kinds of adjectives.